Welcome to Tech Goods, the best running shoes to boost your performance in 2026. In this video, we break down the top 5 men's running shoes that deliver comfort, speed, and durability. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned runner, these picks will help you go the extra mile. Stay tuned to find your perfect pair, and do not forget to check the links in the description. Number 5. The Under Armour Men's Charged Surge 4 sneaker delivers a well-balanced combination of comfort, durability, and performance, making it a strong choice for everyday running and training. Designed with a breathable mesh upper made from recycled polyester, the shoe promotes airflow while also supporting sustainability. The addition of synthetic overlays enhances structure and provides a secure fit, which is especially useful during longer runs or intense workouts. Comfort is one of the standout features of this sneaker. The enhanced cushioning around the ankle collar offers a soft and supportive feel, reducing irritation and improving overall wearability. Inside, the Deluxe Comfort System sock liner adapts to the shape of your foot, creating a personalized fit that feels natural from the first step. This makes the shoe suitable not only for running, but also for extended daily use. The charged cushioning midsole plays a key role in performance by delivering responsive energy return and long-lasting comfort. Each step feels supported without being overly soft, striking a good balance between cushioning and stability. The rubber outsole provides reliable traction on various surfaces, while its flexible design supports smooth toe-off movements. With an 8mm offset, the shoe promotes a comfortable stride that suits a wide range of runners. Overall, the Charged Surge 4 is a dependable and versatile sneaker that meets the needs of both casual users and fitness enthusiasts. Number 4. The Adidas Men's Lite Racer Adapt 7.0 running shoes offer a stylish and practical solution for those who value comfort and convenience in their everyday footwear. Designed with a modern slip-on style, these sneakers are easy to wear while still providing a secure fit thanks to the adjustable lace system. This combination of convenience and stability makes them ideal for casual outings, light workouts, or daily errands. The flexible textile upper stands out for its soft and stretchy feel, allowing the shoe to adapt naturally to the shape of your foot. This ensures a snug and comfortable experience without feeling restrictive. The lightweight construction also helps reduce fatigue, making the shoes suitable for extended wear throughout the day. One of the key highlights is the Cloud Foam midsole, which delivers excellent cushioning and stepping comfort. Each stride feels soft and supported, absorbing impact effectively while maintaining a responsive feel. This makes the shoe a great option for walking or light running, especially for those who prioritize comfort over high-performance features. The synthetic rubber outsole provides dependable traction on a variety of surfaces, adding to the overall durability of the shoe. Additionally, the use of at least 20% recycled materials reflects a commitment to reducing environmental impact. It is worth noting that the sizing runs slightly small, so choosing half a size larger is recommended. Overall, this model offers a great balance of style, comfort, and everyday functionality. Number 3. The New Balance Men's Fresh Foam 520 V9 running shoe is a reliable option for runners and everyday users who prioritize comfort and simplicity. Built with a breathable mesh upper, this shoe allows consistent airflow to keep your feet cool during workouts or long walks. The lightweight design enhances mobility and reduces fatigue, making it suitable for both training sessions and casual daily wear. One of the most notable features is the fresh foam cushioning, which delivers a plush and smooth ride. Each step feels soft yet stable, helping to absorb impact without compromising balance. This makes the shoe ideal for easy runs, light jogging, or extended periods of standing and walking. The cushioning system provides enough responsiveness to keep your stride comfortable without feeling overly soft. The durable rubber outsole adds to the overall performance by offering dependable traction on roads and tracks. Whether you are running outdoors or navigating busy streets, the grip remains consistent and reliable. The outsole also contributes to the longevity of the shoe, allowing it to withstand regular use over time. A simple lace-up closure ensures a secure and adjustable fit, allowing you to customize the tightness according to your preference. The overall design is clean and versatile, making it easy to pair with both athletic and casual outfits. Overall, the Fresh Foam 520 V9 stands out as a comfortable, lightweight, and dependable running shoe that performs well across different daily activities. Number 2. The Nike Men's Revolution 8 Road Running Shoes. Build on the success of previous versions with noticeable improvements in comfort and breathability. Designed for everyday runners, this model focuses on delivering a smooth and easy running experience without unnecessary complexity. The updated mesh upper is more breathable than before, allowing better airflow to keep your feet cool and comfortable during longer runs or warm weather conditions. The foam midsole plays a central role in performance by providing soft and consistent cushioning. Each stride feels supported, while the rocker-inspired design encourages a natural forward motion. This helps reduce strain and makes the shoe suitable for beginners, as well as casual runners who prefer a relaxed pace. The flexibility in the forefoot enhances movement, allowing your steps to feel fluid and unrestricted. Another highlight is the cushioned outsole, which features flex grooves that adapt to your stride. This design improves overall comfort and adds a level of responsiveness that enhances the running experience. The outsole also offers reliable traction on road surfaces, making it a dependable choice for daily use. Small details, such as touch points at the heel and tongue, make the shoe easy to put on and remove, adding to its practicality. The overall design is simple yet effective, focusing on comfort and usability. In summary, the Revolution 8 is a well-rounded running shoe that combines breathability, cushioning, and ease of use for consistent everyday performance. Number 1. The Brooks Men's Anthem 8 Neutral Running Shoe is a smart choice for beginners and budget-conscious runners who want reliable comfort without sacrificing performance. Designed for everyday miles and light training routines, this shoe offers a smooth and approachable running experience that works well for both jogging and walking. Comfort is a key highlight thanks to the upgraded DNA Loft V2 midsole. With additional cushioning, the shoe delivers a softer and more balanced feel underfoot. Each step absorbs impact effectively, making it easier on the joints during daily runs or extended walks. The midsole design also promotes smooth heel-to-toe transitions, allowing your stride to feel natural and fluid from start to finish. The upper features a lightweight mesh construction that enhances breathability while adapting to the shape of your foot. This creates a secure yet flexible fit that keeps your feet cool and comfortable, even during warmer conditions. The lace-up closure adds to the stability by allowing a customizable fit for different foot shapes. Durability is supported by the RoadTac rubber outsole, which provides dependable traction on roads and sidewalks. It maintains grip without adding unnecessary weight, helping the shoe stay light and versatile for various activities. Overall, the Anthem 8 stands out as an accessible and dependable running shoe that combines cushioning, breathability, and durability, making it an excellent entry-level option for consistent daily use. Thanks for watching our top 5 men's running shoes in 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect pair for your runs. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more gear reviews and fitness content. Let us know your favorite in the comments. Stay active, keep pushing your limits, and we will see you in the next video.